This is a quick installation video that will show you how to install your Trex fence kit. The first step to install your Trex fence kit is to attach your top and bottom brackets. Next, mark your two bottom rail covers and cut them for length. Slide the bottom rail covers over the two outside edges of the aluminum bottom rail. Be sure the deeper channel of the aluminum bottom rail faces down, sitting over the bottom bracket. Now mark and cut your top rail to length. Once you have ensured the fit of your top rail, set it aside momentarily. You are now ready to install your fence pickets. Begin by attaching the starting and ending pickets to the post. The unique interlocking design of the Trex fencing pickets eliminates warping and bowing. In fact, this design provides enough strength to withstand wind gusts of up to 130 miles per hour. The interlocking pickets create the same look on both sides and provide 100% privacy. With all of your pickets in place, you are now ready to secure your top rail and post caps.